See the chickens,
And
guys?
Kiki's not doing too good either. I need you at the bird box.
What's wrong?
I'm about to lose 2 and I've already lost 1. Matt deals with the deceased for me. I think it's too hot for him.
Oh.
So, see this one here?
Mm-hmm.
That's how Wobbles was acting 2 days ago.
What, her?
Uh-huh. She's acting a lot like Wobbles, and Wobbles is now not getting up on her own.
Oh, really?
So,
Oh, that's not good.
I'm probably fixing to lose Wobbles.
Can you
And
take...
now this one can't stand up on its own, so I'm probably going to end up losing it too.
Oh.
It's a surprise on the one I lost because my Blackrock's been doing great.
So cute.
That's Big Black over there. That's the biggest of the bunch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she got all her feathers first. She's growing the most.
So cute.
And then you have Nursa. She always just holds up against the sick.
I haven't been back to Mike Teresa's house in forever. We used to live out here, me and my mom and Mike Teresa. Yeah.
My favorite's the teenagers though, because I can just go grab a bucket and sit on the bucket, and they'll fly up and roost on my thigh or my leg.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. There's the 4 smallest ones in there, or the 3 smallest ones in there. I got them for my birthday.
When's your birthday?
May 9th.
May 9th?
Mm-hmm. What you had?
My birthday's May...
Until Matt takes care of them. He knows I don't like dealing with the sick ones.
Which ones are sick?
I got 3 sick ones in there and 1 I just lost. Alright, I'm gonna let you watch my phone.
Okay.
Gin. I see you, Sniffles. So this one I have Gin, Sniffles, Wirus. This is Wirus. She got her name because of her tail. See how her tail's all wiry?
Mm-hmm.
That's how she got her name.
Hi. Hi, baby girl. Does she bite?
Mm-mm.
Hi. Hi, good girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. I think it's my first time touching the chicken. Hi.
She really likes the back of her head. If you go with her feathers,
Uh-huh.
she likes it when you get the back of her head.
Oh. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
See? Now the other girls are getting jealous.
Oh, what are you guys doing? You guys jealous? Hi. Oh, she goes on here too? How cute.
Can you get it?
How
No,
cute.
you just want my hand today? Okay.
She says, Mom, I want a hug. I want a hug. Hi. Hi.
Watch your feathers. Watch your feather.
You posing for the camera, little girl. Is it a boy or a girl?
These are all girls.
All girls. Okay. How cute. Hi, guys. Hi. Are they all friendly? Are they all friendly? They're all friendly?
But the least friendliest one we got is Chickaletta. She won't let anybody pick her up.
No. Chickaletta. That's... Oh, my goodness.
Where's Gin? Sniffles, I see you. So this one is Gin.
That's Gin.
That one is Gin. Come here, Red. This is Big Red. This was one of my birthday chickens.
Oh, my goodness. No, don't get out.
They won't.
They won't get out? Okay. I don't want them getting hurt.
So you know Percy. Come here.
She must be the loud one, huh?
This
Oh, she
is
doesn't...
Pegasus.
Pegasus, okay.
We also have... Hold on. That is Big Red, Wirus,